What's up, high levelers? Today, I'm going to show you how you can set up summary performance reports for your voice AI agents. So every day, every week, every month, whatever you want to set up, you can get a report from a specific voice AI agent to see how it's doing inside of your account. My name is Andrew, and let me show you how it works. So inside of your high-level sub account, just navigate to AI agents and then voice AI and go into any one of your agents that you're currently using. You can click into the agent like this, and then we can see on the right-hand side under our actions section, we can scroll all the way down to reporting. And here we can open up this drop-down and turn on performance summary email. Then we can turn this on for different frequencies. So either weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. And we can send these performance summary emails to either all admins, all users, specific users, or even a custom email. So if we want to set this up to send to our customers or specific team member, anything like that, this can work super well. Now, what these performance reports look like is it's very similar to our dashboard on our AI agent section. So we'll be able to see the amount of calls, the amount of actions triggered, the sentiment, if they're positive or negative. We can then see the amount of calls completed, the total duration, average call duration, and of course, a list of all of our different calls with the agent name, contact name, and so on. So we can get these performance reports at the end of the day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. And that way we can see how our agent is doing on specific tasks when it's working with our customers. This is a pretty straightforward feature, so feel free to dive into your sub account, navigate over to the voice AI agent section, turn this on, and then you will get emails about your AI agents on that recurring basis that you have set up. If you have any questions about this feature, feel free to leave a comment on this video or check out the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.